Good morning everybody. Today we talk about this year. Came from Korea, from my friend Yeochang Yun. I hope I pronounce your name right. It's a very interesting guy. Somebody, one of my Facebook friends, made me aware of what he is doing. And what he is doing is, since 2011 he is building quivers for himself first. Then he did a lot of research, and then a friend of him found in a museum a quiver, and they figured that this is a original Joseon quiver from the Joseon period in Korea, used in the military. And then he started simply rebuilding this quiver with artificial materials, so the quivers are a little more lightweight, but nice metal applications. Black to Malta, we like black. I only have no idea how your box is working. Kind of like this. So now, first of all, packed nicely, you get a belt. So he found this photo, and then he started building this quiver. So you get two belts, which is part of it. They look really nice, really nice made, wow. And obviously look, in another pouch, that's very nice. So it's supposed to be designed for military use, a supply version quiver. Oh, look at this. On the photos it looks a little larger, but look at this nice one, and has a two pocket design. Wow, and why? You might ask. Look at this pretty quiver. So you can have this in, I think, 8, 9, 10 colors. Wow, so the craftsmanship, exceptional. Look at this, made like, wow. Simply, wow. So when you have two pockets, one is for the arrows, and one, if you have, I don't have it anymore, it's a Tong-A, this overthrow device to shoot baby arrows. I don't have it anymore, but once I get one again, I will put it here, and then I will shoot short arrows. Look at this pretty quiver. It's rock solid, beautifully made. Look at this. And the best thing of this quiver is, I mean, look at this craftsmanship and these materials and all these nice details. And this quiver is just $200 US plus shipping. Unbelievable. Let's put it on. Obviously, I'm not dressed now properly in a Korean outfit because I don't have. So I suppose this quiver goes here. So this belt goes through here. And here, this is the easy part, I guess. And it's quite long. Look at this, nice. So fits my fat belly. Fat belly, bam, not choking. So look at this, and then you tie this wherever you want it. So, but now we talk about this part. We untie it first. I think in this direction then, right? Or in this direction. Doesn't make a difference, I guess. I don't know. So this one goes here, because this is the stabilizing part. And this one goes then, yeah. Cool. And what you do now is you wrap this over here. You tie this down here, and now all of a sudden this quiver is not dangling anymore or nothing. This is incroyable. And then of course you need to tuck this away here. And I'm sure there is a specific way for it, but I simply tuck it now like I think. So look. So like this, look, looks fancy pantsy. And I mean, look at this, how tight this quiver is now. So and once you have this, you can start filling up your quiver here. I have no idea how many arrows will fit. Easy to fill, look at this. This pouch is really nice made. Yeochang, wow. Which one shall we take? These doesn't matter. So you can fill it up with quite some arrows. Oh, tip loose, typical me. So look. Let's leave it now. These are 8. So I'm sure you could put a few more. But 8 I think is just nice, and 8 is a good number. Look at this end, this is... You don't need this leg strap or something. With the second strap here, this thing sits like a holster. It doesn't move even with the arrows. Look at this. Feels really good. Look at this. Even if you have longer arrows, so it doesn't matter. Then you simply grab the first one. And today we shoot the YMG, which we can. See how it works. Of course I don't shoot now too many arrows because you know how it looks like. To warm up first a bit, but I warm up by shooting. Nice, look, when you grab the next one, totally, you don't even have to think about it. Oops. Went through, obviously. So we shoot one more light one. The ring is a little too big today again. Nice, but it's a Korean bow, not a traditional composite bow which is unstrung as a closed shape winner. It's a Joseon Quiver, so we need the Joseon war bow with it. By Yeochang. Oh, I didn't replace the knock yesterday, it's still my broken knock. Yeah, it will still work, let's hope. Let's hope for the best. Oh, yeah. Oh, takes a while until I reach full draw. But look at this, you simply grab there and you get the next arrow. You don't even have to think about it. Look, tuck, next. Easy to get the arrows out, easy to get them in. It's about the quiver. Oh, look at this. Okay, one left. Okay. Awesome. This quiver is pretty awesome. A brilliant quiver, and look how easy it is to load. That's a really nice one. And $200 US, obviously. Now imagine myself in a nice Korean robe, nice Korean outfit. Nice. Look at this. Doesn't take long to fill up again, and this one is it's not moving at all. Nothing. Ingenious. Because I don't like these straps here. But look at this, is this great work. As I brought another thumb ring, we shoot one more time. So, this is the thumb ring by Yeochang. But I don't shoot the Navalny bow now, so let's see. You see, you get these arrows out without thinking. And whatever. I love this quiver, and I love how it looks like. It's pretty, lightweight, can fill up with enough arrows, has the second pocket for the tonga. $200, what can you ask more? And once you're done, you grab first the small one. Oops. Open it. So. And then you grab the big one. But of course this thing should be on this side too. So I did it wrong. The closing buckle should be on this side. But you know what? And look how easy it comes off. That's really, really, really good. Totally like it. And look at this pretty. Go away, wasp. Look at this. With these metal things here made together, it doesn't go anywhere. Wow. Just wow. It's really, really nice made. Yeochang, really well made. $200, guys. And that's all for today. So again, thank you very much for sending this quiver to me. Shipping was not even expensive. I think $30-40. So it's really, you really need to, if you are into like a small, versatile quiver which sits tight there, go check him out. I leave a link, a contact in the description. Wow, and that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one.